In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bent or damaged door handle on this Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new door handle, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To replace the handle, loosen the two set screws with a 1/8 inch hex key or Allen wrench on the door handle. These are located near the ends of each handle and towards the center of the fridge. Once loose, remove the handle from the fridge. When shopping for a new door handle at partsdoctor.com, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. If you need to replace the shoulder screw, you can check out our other video. To install the door handle, align it to the shoulder screws, making sure the set screws are facing towards the middle of the fridge. Firmly press the handle against the door and tighten down the set screws. If needed, adjust the height of the handles to make sure they are aligned. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.